Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. Today I'm going to make a really quick salad because I always love a good salad. Anybody would. Everybody loves a great salad. So I picked some kale from my garden, and yes, this did come from my garden, my veggie pods. Yep. And today I'm going to make an apple pear salad with kale. And the dressing is going to be a honey or agave. It should be honey, but I don't have any honey right now. Agave, cilantro, lime juice. So let's make the dressing first. I'm going to do about 1/4 olive oil. Okay. There we go. I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons of agave or honey, whichever you have. I'm going to do a bunch of cilantro that I've already washed. There we go, cilantro. And I'm going to do the juice of lime. And then I'm going to pulse it. So the dressing will be ready already while I cut everything up. So, a little salt, pepper. Now that I have the dressing already made, I put it in the refrigerator just to chill it a little bit. I am going to cut the kale up that I got from my garden. So I'm really just going to tear it. You can cut it or tear it, whatever's easier. You know, I don't want the main vein in there. So I'm going to cut it all up like this. Now I'm going to cut apples. Just cut this apple in half. Now let's get some pears. And it's funny, I just made this salad because I bought pears. I like pears. Cranberries or apricots. I had apricots. We love apricots. So I'm just taking some apricots that I bought, and I'm gonna cut them up, slice them, and put them in the salad. You can also do cranberries. Cranberries are usually what they do, but I'm not big on cranberries all the time. They're a little too sweet, and I like the apricot because you get the sweet with the little tang. But either one is perfect. It's all about being creative and different and putting things that you like on your palate. Then I'm gonna put some cheese. A little salt and pepper on here before I do the dressing. Just a little dab here. All right. Pepper. So this is the cilantro, lime, olive oil, agave dressing that I'm adding to my salad. And there you go. Your pear, apple, salad with a cilantro, agave, lime dressing, or honey if you have honey. You know where to find the recipe? www.allieindthevalley.com. Let's try this, baby. This is something new I came up with, so I don't usually make this, but guess what? We're gonna try it and see how it comes out. I love it. I'll be eating this for the next 2 weeks.